If you love bold flavors and hearty meal, this protein packed chole recipe is just for you. Today, we are making a flavorful and easy chole recipe that is perfect for lunch or dinner. So, let's get started. Heat some oil and ghee in a deep wok or kadhai. The mix of oil and ghee enhance both the taste and texture of the dish. Once the ghee melts, add ajwain and a pinch of hing. Ajwain not only adds a unique earthy aroma but also help in digestion, while hing enhance the overall flavor. Let them sizzle for a few seconds. Now add finely chopped onions and saute them on medium heat until they turn golden brown. This step is crucial because well cooked onions add depth and richness to the dish. And while the onions are cooking, let me know in the comments how do you like to make your chickpeas, or if you did like to see another unique chickpea recipe. Drop your suggestions below. Also, if you are enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new recipe. Next, add chopped tomatoes and green chilies. Mix everything well and cook until the tomatoes soften completely. If you want a smoother consistency, you can mash the tomatoes slightly with your spatula while stirring. Now it's time to add the spices. Add 4 big tablespoons of chole masala. Yes, a generous amount for that bold and authentic flavor. Then add coriander powder, red chili powder, black pepper powder, chaat masala, amchur powder. Add these for the perfect blend of spice, heat and tanginess. Stir well so the masalas coat evenly. To thicken the gravy and enhance the texture, add a small amount of besan or gram flour. This step gives the dish a rich, slightly creamy consistency and balance the spices. Roast the besan for a minute until its raw smell disappears. Now add a little water and cook the masala mixture for a few minutes until everything blends beautifully into a thick aromatic base. Now it's time to add the main ingredient, boiled chickpeas or chole. I have boiled them with chai patti to get that deep western style color. If you are doing the same, tie the tea leaves in a muslin cloth before adding them to the water to avoid any residues. For the best texture, mash some of the chickpeas directly in the cooker or in the kadhai while mixing. This makes the gravy thicker while keeping some chickpeas whole for a nice bite. Now add salt as per taste and let everything simmer for a few minutes so the flavor can infuse properly. If you want a slightly thinner consistency, add little more water and let it cook. Finally, garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves and bring it to a gentle boil. This step boosts the aroma and makes the dish even more appetizing. And that's it. Your flavorful protein packed chole is ready to serve. Enjoy it hot with puri, bhature, rice, or even as a stuffing for wraps and sandwiches. Try this recipe and let me know how you like it. Happy cooking! One more tip before going: for extra tanginess, add a few drops of lemon juice before serving.